Welcome, everybody. This is a transformational imagery meditation for the purpose of clearing and uplifting and removing any density. Like, what do you mean density, Nori? So any density, anything that happens to us physically happens first on the energetic level. But reverse that, we can heal it. So if there's things on the energetic level, any densities that are there, we can heal it before it even takes shape and manifests in the physical. But any density is any discomfort that you have, any aches, any pains, any scar tissue, any cellular memory, anything that isn't in your highest good. We're going to release that today. So I just invite you to close your eyes and to settle in and to settle down and just become aware of your breath. And just take a minute and intend to go inward. Intend to calm and soothe. It's a choice. And thank God that we can make this choice. So just allow your body to find the comfortable position to sit in for the next, 12, 15 minutes-ish. Relax your neck. We store so much energy, tension in our necks. Relax your feet. And just breathe. Just notice the breath coming in through your nose, seemingly going down the back of your throat and into your lungs, filling your lungs, and when they're full, just let it go. Nothing forceful, just release and let it go. And when you inhale the next time and you think you've inhaled all you can, take another little sip of air and then exhale and let it go. And every time you breathe in, just imagine, see, or feel breathing in peace. And when you exhale, exhale deeper relaxation. When your body relaxes, your mind relaxes. And when your mind relaxes, your body relaxes. And when they relax, the pathway is clear for us to hook up with our higher mind, our higher self, our subconscious mind, and even the divine. So just allow the weight of your hips to fall through the chair. Just allow the muscles on the front of your thighs, the weight of them to fall through to the back of your thighs. And just relax behind your knees. Relax the front of your knees. Relax your shins. Relax your calves. Relax the top of your feet and the bottom of your feet. So just imagine a buttery golden light in your feet, warming the muscles of your feet, soothing them, melting them. And draw that golden light up through your shins, through your calves, releasing those muscles, warming them. And just allow the golden light to shine brightly in your knees. And just imagine it glowing even more brightly and healing anything that may need to be healed in your knees. And now draw the golden light up the front of your thighs, through the middle of your thighs, up the back of your thighs, melting the muscles, releasing them, and letting them go. So from the top of your thighs to the bottom of your feet, loose and limp like a rag doll. And from the core of your being, if you'd like to drop a grounding cord into Mother Earth, this is a great time. And just imagine attaching it to the center or to the mantle of Mother Earth, where the connection is immutable. And the connection of groundedness, peace begins to move in for you. Safe and protected. And just draw that golden light up into your hips and abdomen. Relax your hips. Relax your lower abdomen. Relax your organs. Just allow the warmth of the light to soothe your organs, to bathe them. And allow the golden white light to move up into your solar plexus, into your diaphragm, melting the muscles in between your ribs, warming your ribs, and bring the light up into your chest, filling your lungs with golden, buttery warmth. Beautiful. And draw the light up into your heart and allow it to spill over with every beat of your heart into your blood, carried out in your blood to your extremities, through all of your organs, throughout the brain, relaxing and breathing. And just draw the golden light up your spine, starting at your sacrum. Allow it to warm the sacrum, melt it into deep relaxation. And as the light comes up slowly through your spine, each space in between the vertebrae becomes a little bit wider and the discs a little bit more plump, drawing the light all the way up and up into the base of your skull, filling your neck, melting all of the big and the small muscles of your neck. Allow the light to grow brightly at the base of your throat, freeing any constriction, any restriction, always free to speak your truth. And allow the light to spill over down into your shoulders and your arms, down into all of the big muscles in your back. So from your neck down to your toes, just bathed, filled with golden light, relaxing, letting everything go. And just allow the golden white light to move up into your scalp, warming your scalp, coming down over your forehead, relaxing your forehead, relaxing your eyebrows, warming your eyelids, relaxing behind your eyes, relaxing all of your facial muscles into your sinuses, into your mouth. Relax your tongue, relax your jaw, and relax your ears. And now the golden light moves into your head, warming behind your eyes, allowing your eyes to just fall back, warming your brain, just filled with the golden, buttery, soothing light. Good job. And now just imagine, see, or feel above your head a silvery white light. And it sparkles, it's iridescent. You may see flecks of lavender or blue. It is divine light. Just allow the divine light to come in through your crown, receiving the light, pulling it down, mixing it with the golden light that's already there. Maybe you see it turning and spinning the way that you would mix a cake batter, or maybe it's turning and spinning like soft serve ice cream. But see it coming down and fully blending and mixing through your head and shoulders, down both arms, blending and mixing, down into each finger, even turning and blending in the fingers, mixing down through the torso, the white light blending with the gold, through the chest, through the abdomen, through the hips, all of the organs, and blending and mixing down each leg, blending and mixing gold and sparkly iridescent white, all the way down into the feet and even into each toe. And now through your grounding cord, draw up sacred earth energy. Could be rich, brown, loving, soothing, sparkling brown, as it begins to mix with the golden and the white light. So now blending in like cake batter, earth energy with the golden light and the divine light, mixing it in, allowing it to mix down both thighs, down past the knees, in the knees, down both calves, in the feet, and mixing up again through the legs, up through the hips, and blending beautiful earth energy, mixing with divine energy and the golden buttery light. Mixing and mixing as it comes up through the ribs, through the lungs, up through the heart, up to the neck, moving and turning, blending, and allow it to blend down through both arms, moving and blending down both arms into each finger. And as that continues to blend, draw the light up, the beautiful golden light with divine light, now mixing with earth energy into your neck, into your head. Beautiful. And just see that tricolor of energy blending harmoniously through your body, continuing to circle through your body in every aspect of your body. And as it circles, it suddenly becomes magnetic. And as it circles, it pulls any energy that no longer serves you, any fragments of energy, any density, any energy that wasn't yours, pulling it out of you, holding it in suspension in the light. The magnetics reach out into the energetic field, into your auric field, pulling in any energy, any density that no longer serves you or will not serve you, pulling it in, magnetizing any discomfort, pulling in, magnetizing any dis-ease, pulling in and magnetizing any disharmony, any pain, any emotional pain, any stored memories in the fascia or the body, pulling it in like a powerful magnet and mixing in the center of your body with the tricolored lights. And just allow it to mix, pulling in, magnetizing any little bits of energy that finally make their way in, allowing it to spin in the center of your being. And as it does, we're going to pull all of the energy, the tricolor lights, from your extremities into the center, turning and spinning in the center of your being, pulling the tricolor energy from the head and the arms into the center, moving and spinning with all the magnetized energy, pulling the tricolor lights up from the feet, the legs, up into the center of your being where it all begins to build momentum. It's spinning and turning, gathering momentum, preparing to be released into the earth where Mother Earth transmutes it into pure love and compassion. So just imagine all of the tricolor energy in the core of your body, moving a bit faster now, spinning even faster. And when I count back from 3 to 1, release it all through your grounding cord. Getting ready to release now, picking up even greater momentum. 3, getting into alignment for release. 2, and release through your grounding cord. 1. Let it go. All the way out. Out and out, maybe like a waterfall. Beautiful. And when that energy hits the mantle of Mother Earth, imagine it shooting up into the sky like shooting stars that turn into fireworks and rain down sparkles of pure love and compassion on the earth and all its inhabitants. And just allow that to continue to happen as everything empties through the grounding cord, transmuted into the magnificent divine fireworks of love. And when it's done, just relax. And from above your head is a deep, golden, honey-like substance of light. It is divine light. And it pours in through the crown of your head, filling all of the places and spaces, and especially filling all of the places and spaces where the density was removed, even out into our energetic fields. So as the honey light moves into filling and maybe even overflowing, just allow it to happen until you are completely full and all of those energetic spaces saturated, and filled. Beautiful work. Just making space in your day, in your life, for the manifestation of your healthier being. Healthy on all levels, body, mind, spirit, and soul. And just like dessert, imagine a beautiful orb of light, white light above your head, raining in now like a waterfall of energy, coming in, filling, blending, mixing harmoniously with all of the golden honey, balancing, harmonizing, filling you with the ultimate well-being of the divine. And just be with the light for a few more breaths. And when you come back, you may notice that you feel lighter. Your body may want to rest. It may ask you for more water than usual. It may ask you for a specific food. And just honor it the best that you can, because you moved a lot of energy. So just basking in the waterfall of radiant white light. You are radiant too. In a few minutes we're going to come back, but just know that if you have any vestiges of discomfort, any memory of pain, you can flow the honey light into that area where you need it. Beautiful. So getting ready to come back now, relaxed, restored, rejuvenated. Feeling into your feet and your legs, 1. Feeling into your knees and your thighs and your hips, 2. Feeling into your torso, your chest, your arms, 3. Feeling into your neck and your scalp and your head, 4. Feeling behind your eyes, flutter your eyes, 5. Everybody back. Welcome back.